Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to bypass parental control family link on your NOKIA X20 device. Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and choose Google. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Wait a while and choose Data and Privacy. Go down and choose Delete your Google account, but not afraid, we'll recover it later. Now enter your password. Choose Next. Choose Yes. Scroll down, choose Yes, I understand. Scroll down, Yes, Yes. And now choose Delete account. Wait a while. And now you will see that all your applications was successfully unlocked. Wait a while. We need to see an error. Okay, it seems like family link was successfully bypassed. Yeah, all my apps was unlocked. Okay, now we can remove family link application for our device from our device, and now we need to recover our Google account. To do this, open Play Store and choose Sign In. Enter your email. Choose Next. Now you will see this message. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click Next to attempt to restore this account. Click Next. Enter your password. Tap Next. Wait a while and you'll see this message. Something went wrong. Sorry, something went wrong. Please try again. And now you need to just try again. So enter your email again. Click Next. Enter a password again. And click Next. Last time. Choose I agree. Wait a while. And cool. Play Market works. Family link was bypassed. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, comment this video, and bye. See you.